Hello and welcome everyone to our presentation video on paper DejaVu Continual Model Generalization for Unseen Domain, prepared by Group Error 404, part of course CS771 at IIT Kanpur. So in real-world applications, machine learning models often face dynamic environments where data changes over time. It has a term called continual domain shift learning. This paper addressed this challenge. It introduces RAW-TP framework, which we will see in the coming slides, which ensures models can generalize during unfamiliar periods, can adapt to new data, and retain past knowledge. The objective is to develop a unified solution that bridges gaps in existing methods like domain adaptation and domain generalization. If we come to the problem statement of this paper, it is the dynamic environment and evolving tasks in real-world scenario. For example, surveillance system may fail in bad weather. Medical models trained on one virus may struggle to detect its new variants. These issues become critical during unfamiliar period when performance of existing models drop sharply before adaptation, and adapting to new domain often causes catastrophic forgetting of previously learned knowledge. Existing method either adapt too slowly or fail to retain past performances. To tackle these problems, the RAW-TP framework focuses on three objectives. First, generalization during the unfamiliar period to perform well on unseen domains. Second, rapid adaptation to new data after its exposure. Third, retention of the past knowledge to avoid forgetting. RAW-TP achieves these objectives with three components: RANDMix, a data augmentation method for better generalization; T2PL, a pseudo-labeling mechanism for accurate adaptation; and PCA, a domain alignment strategy to retain knowledge. Together, these components make RAW-TP a robust solution for continual domain shift learning. Let's now talk about methodology of RAW-TP framework used in this paper. S is labeled source domain. T is unlabeled target domain, where each domain TT represents a new data distribution. Model uses feature extraction F-theta, classifier GW, to optimize TDG, target domain generalization, TDA, target domain adaptation, and FA, forgetting alleviation for previously learned domain. In RANDMix, input data is transformed with noise using autoencoders, and then augmentation is applied based on confidence. Next, in T2PL, which helps the model adapt to new unlabeled target domains, the process involves selecting 50% of target domain based on their confidence, which is calculated using softmax prediction. From these selected samples, we compute class centroids. Here PK represents centroid for class K. Finally, we refine pseudo-labels by comparing selected target label with these centroids using cosine similarity and clustering with KNN. Now, prototype contrastive alignment, PCA, the last component. It uses classifier weights as prototypes to align domain representations. Then contrastive alignment is done to maximize interclass separability and minimize domain shifts, hence retain knowledge from domains while adapting to new ones. You can see this flowchart how performance in unfamiliar period is improved significantly after proposing RAW-TP method. Here in this picture, you can see how RANDMix is helpful in reducing adaptivity gap, but in some cases it may affect negatively. And here, this is the accuracy matrix. TDG, the green one, is measured by mean model performance on random before its training stage. TDA measured right after finishing its training stage. Finally, FA after model has been updated with another. Now let's come to the experiments and results part of this paper. RAW-TP was evaluated on three datasets: digits, which includes domains like MNIST, SVHN; PACS, which focuses on artistic style variations like photos and sketches; DomainNet, a highly diverse dataset with real-world domain shifts. In the result, RATP outperformed existing methods by achieving up to 10% higher accuracy during unfamiliar period, and showed strong adaptation and retention across all datasets. These results validate its effectiveness for diverse and challenging tasks. In conclusion, RATP addresses critical challenges in CDSL by balancing generalization, adaptation, and retention. It outperformed existing methods, demonstrating its robustness. Thank you very much.